Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It came to my knowledge that Al-Iaanah Humanity Welfare is organizing a Hijrah walk that is from Makkah to Madinah by walk. So it is the good step, and I appreciate how Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam migrated from Makkah to Madinah. It is so important. Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu started Islamic calendar from this point. And the Hijrah itself is a goal of a Muslim. As Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it is compulsory for every Muslim to migrate. And it was in the beginning, after the Hijrah, after the migration to Madinah, it was compulsory for every Muslim to migrate, to leave his home or his city and come to Madinah. But later when Makkah was conquered, then Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Hijrah will remain. But Hijrah means migration from sin to obedience to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Hijrah, how Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam traveled on the way that he adopted from Makkah to Madinah. At that time it was called Yathrib. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam left the time in Makkah and spent 3 days and night in cave of Thawr, that is in Makkah. And from here Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam took a way that was not ordinary used by the people to protect himself and to safely cross the area of Makkah and to reach Madinah. So it is also a good step, I can say, to fulfill the sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, to have walk as Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam did. So I appreciate, and I would ask the brothers who can bear to walk this such distance, they should join this walk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Join the journey, December 20th to January 2nd.